What's up, everyone? Today is September 1st, and Las Vegas has a temperature of 101. Henderson is 103. Boulder City is 102. The Prim is 93. 90 degrees. Let's see. Pahrump is 97 degrees. I'm looking for Crystal. Let's see. I'm looking for. Here we are. The Tonopah is 75 degrees. Look like there's also a flash flood warning in Tonopah. Uh, 77 degrees in Goldfield. So we got thunderstorm all the way at night. Tomorrow we got another thunderstorm, and it's gonna be about 82 degrees. Light showers on Sunday, and 87 degrees during the day. So we're hitting warm temperatures all the way into Thursday the 7th. From Thursday the 7th all the way on to Friday the 15th. We got temperatures going on. We got high temperatures going up to 97. So it'll start getting hot a little bit. Partly cloudy on Sunday the 10th. Partly cloudy on Monday the 11th, and Wednesday the 13th. And that's for today's broadcast. Catch you on the next video. A lot.
You want to go out in the rain?
Well, at least now we know the plants are getting water.
Too much water. You want to go out and film?
Actually, you know what?
What? Ready? It's flooded, dude. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
You can't even, when you walk, see how flooded it is?
Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh man.
What?
It stopped recording. I'm not sure. Yeah.
How insane you think it
Huh?
how insane it is that it's flooded in a what's it, a desert?
A lot.
Desert's supposed to be.
There you go. No, it depends.
Man, this is so much green, yo.
Oh, that. Ah!
Oh, man. Look at my back, dude.
How did the water get on you? How did you get soaked, dude?
Huh?
I thought you were kicking the water.
What do you mean I was kicking the water?
I thought you were kicking the water.
Why?
Oh shit, my shorts wet.
Huh?
Oh, hold on, car coming. See, look at all, it's all coming down this way.
Babe,
Alright.
come here.
Now for the ultimate challenge.
Huh?
What? Since I got the,
What's the challenge?
I'm gonna see how much wire will cover the camera.
Look at my back, dude.
Yeah. All right, ready? All right. Ultimate truth.
I'm impressed I have work today.
No, that's not gonna work.